Good morning guys, in front of me is TCL 505 and let me show you how to locate IMEI number. First of all, open your phone dialer. Now click on keypad and here you need to provide a secret code which is *pound 06 pound. And now just take a look at device information where you can smoothly find both IMEI and serial numbers. Click on OK. And now you can also find IMEI via settings. So at first open the settings. From main settings list, select about phone. So it's under system, enroll system, and then go to about phone at the top of the list. Scroll and enter status. And here you've got both IMEI numbers. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.